Oh, hey guys, wanted to give you a quick rundown and reminder so the parents and so everybody can see your STEM row creature report is due this Friday. It's worth 80 points. Those 80 points will show up in your Canvas gradebook. It's already there, actually. You'll see it's worth 80 points. It's due by Friday, September 25th. And here's the breakdown. On page 1, it is worth 20 points. Questions number 1, 2, 3, and 4, all worth 5 points. I'll show you Mr. Spina and I's page. Here is number 1. It's just describing your row creature. Number 2 is drawing a picture of it. Ours got moved down a little bit. Question 3 is your hypothesis about what you think is going to happen. And question 4 is telling us what happened when you put it in. They should have had all this done about 10 days ago when we did page 1. Page 2 is worth 20 points. It's their observations. Here's what Mr. Spina and I's looks like. 2 points for every description and sketch. So if they have their observations and their sketches, they should have 5. So 5 observations and 5 sketches on every page for a total of 20 points. And then the very last page is worth 40 points. This is the results. This is probably what they should be working on this week and have most of it done. And page 3 looks a lot like this. Explain what happened to your creature over the 7 days. We've explained to them that's basically just going back and looking at your log on page 2 and kind of taking all that information and summarizing it. Then question, also worth 10 points is your conclusion. Explain what you thought about the changes your creature experienced. Include information about the accuracy of hypothesis. So this is where you're going to say, I thought it would get a lot bigger, but it didn't, or it got smaller than I thought. You're just going to type up a little summary of what you thought, what went well, what worked, what happened correctly, what didn't happen, what you thought, just giving all of your conclusions. The next part that's worth 10 points is why is it important to make detailed observations? That is like their opinion. Why is it important to be very detailed when you make your observations? And then the last part is write a list of questions you would like to investigate using these creatures. We told them each one is worth 1 point. So it's 10 points total, or each one's worth 2 points. 5 different things that if they were going to do this experiment again, what they would try or what they would do differently. So Mr. Spina, that is all due on Friday. Like I said, page 1 and page 2 should have been done when we were doing it, and they should be working on page 3, and it's due by Friday afternoon. Anything you would like to add, Mr. Spina?
No, I think we had a real good time doing it. It was very exciting. I was very excited, Sponlkin too, how well they did. I liked when they did the flip grids and they did all different kinds of stuff with it. So we plan on doing more STEM this year. So that's what we'll be doing every day. So go ahead and enjoy yourself and make sure you get everything done by Friday, as much detail as you can. This way people behind you can see, scientists can read your journals and read your notes and know exactly what you did. That's it.
All right. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right.